The reason I'm here is to share my happiness for having got placed in DXC.
My father works in IT management, so you can say I've had some guidance in regarding the choices for my future career.
My parents are very happy after listening to the news that I am selected for the DXC, which was the first company which came to our campus.
Firstly, I thank DXC people for believing.
It's really a great feeling when you have a job in your hand before the final year.
I feel very happy that I got placed into DXC.
I have got selected in DXC company,
which is the very first campus placement drive. For this, I would like to thank Geetham University for providing this wonderful opportunity to us.
I'm very delighted to get placed in DXC Technologies, which has been our very first placement drive.
Recently got placed in DXC. I want to thank my faculty members.
I'm here because it makes me more pleasure if I share my happiness and success with you all.
Myself, I'm very glad to get the opportunity in the DXC Technologies, which is the very first drive for 2020-21 session.
I need to thank all the faculty coordinators.
Hi, I'm Shweta. I'm very happy to get placed in my first campus placement, that is DXC Technologies.
First of all, I would like to share that I'm happy to be placed in the DXC company.
To share that I have got placed in DXC Technologies.
And I'm glad to be placed at DXC Technology India. So I can say that this opportunity is an amazing launch to my career.
Views are aligned with DXC standards, and I believe I can be a great contribution to the company.
I've been placed in DXC Technologies in my campus selections, and I'm really very happy about this.
The training provided by the QSpider and FACE helped me a lot in order to clear the first round. They trained us regarding APT and programming skills.
It was my very first interview, so we were very eagerly waiting for the result, and the moment when I got to know that I have been placed in DXC Technologies, I was very excited and I felt so happy.
I'm very glad that I have grabbed the very first opportunity that has been provided by them.
Thanks for my parents who always been supporting and encouraging.
Especially thank my parents, as this success would be nothing without them, and also the faculty coordinators who guided us towards the placement activities.
Guys, mark my words, it will really help you. Participation is very important.
I got selected for the DXC company and I feel very happy for that, and my family feels the same.
The training which was given by our placement sir was helped me a lot in the selection process for DXC company.
When I first came to know that I got selected for DXC company, I felt very happy. I don't know how to express happiness in words. Later I told to my parents, they also felt very happy.
Recently, as a part of a campus placement, I got selected in DXC Technologies. I was really happy to find my name in the list.
I got placed in this company. This was the first company to knock my door and I grabbed it.
I'm very excited to share you guys that I have been recently placed in DXC Technologies.
Being a mechanical graduate, it is very hard to be a part of an IT sector.
I believe this placement has helped me in gaining a lot of confidence and potential, which would certainly help me in achieving all my future career pursuits.
And when Sir announced my name, I was happy, so that I shared this happy news with my parents. And by seeing their happiness, my happiness got doubled.
I would like to share my experience about it. So basically, I'm from a middle class family as many other. Father is a bank employee, mother is a housemaker. I have 2 siblings. As any other BTech graduate, the minimum expectation would be getting placed in either her dream company or at least having an offer before we complete our final year. I also was having similar kind of motive.
I'm so happy that I got placed in the very first company that came to our college.
I don't say this is an end to my pursuit, but certainly a good start.
Being the first on-campus drive and me getting placed to it filled me with a lot of happiness.
My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. They have supported me a lot for getting this success.
And also I would like to thank all the faculty coordinators.
I'm very thankful to Geetham University for providing me this opportunity.
The guidance you gave have taken me to the position of Associate Professional in DXC Technologies.
For giving me this chance to showcase my talent.
Believe me, efforts never go in vain.
And recently I got placed in DXC Tech, which was the first ever company that visited our campus.
But I can say it's a part of the learning experience to understand where we go wrong or what would be right and what would be wrong.
I'd like to take this as an opportunity to thank all the people who have been so supportive and encouraging.
The faculties from all the branches who taught many things from the past 3 years.
I'm very happy and
Success.
The moment I heard my name on the list, I was shedding tears. Later, I've shared this news with my parents. They are so happy for this.
Big thank you to Geetham University, Bengaluru.
Very happy that I have got placed in DXC Technologies.
Happy and proud to get placed in the 7th semester itself.
I'm very happy for getting placed in DXC Technologies.
As many forms and people have their own opinions on what success is. To me, success is to be able to find a job as soon as or even before you graduate with BTech, which shows that you've at once proved to the world that you're capable of something.
The happiness was out of sky. We are all very happy.
I'm very happy that I got placed in DXC Technology in our campus, right?
And I'm proud to say that I selected interview due to blessings of my parents.
And what makes this achievement of mine very special is because this is one of the first on-campus drive that has happened in our college.
I felt little nervous in the interview.
Even during this pandemic situation, Geetham University, Bengaluru.
Me and my parents are so happy that I have got selected in the very first drive of our college.
And also I would like to thank my parents who encouraged me a lot to achieve this.
I would like to thank my parents, my faculties of CSE and
CSE department who kept supporting the students and preparing them for everything.
Trying to work hard for the company which I work for.
Just don't give up easily.
And today I really want
I would like to thank all my faculties who are the main reason and who funneled the knowledge into me. And finally, I would like to thank my parents.
And talking about the interview, it was something that kept me jittery all day, especially because it was the first interview that we are facing.
Anyone can get a job as if they focus on the right things to study and prepare for and develop their own interpersonal skills and build their own confidence in their own unique way.
Training that I got from Face Academy had helped me a lot in clearing my first round.
And the next moment when I shared this to my parents, they felt so happy.
I was very happy when I heard that I have got placed in DXC Technologies, that the very first company that has come for our campus.
I would like to thank to my parents because in every situation my parents stand with me, and without my parents I am nothing.
I am very happy that I got placed in DXC company.
Glad to be placed in the very first company of DXC Technology in the campus placements.
Since it was the first company, I was really anxious whether I'll be placed or not. But the training which we got and the practice which we did in this quarantine period has helped us a lot in gaining confidence and bagging this job.
Finally, I want to conclude that your hardworking nature, dedication, determination definitely will make you succeed in your life.
My parents were happy for me and I could sense some relief from their side, and I felt that I actually achieved something.
My goal is to work for a multinational company and reputed company, and my dream is true now.
I feel very passionate about IT sector from childhood onwards, and I'm very happy because my career is starting with the DXC Technology.
Even before we got into the 4th year, me having an offer letter in my hand makes me very confident to achieve things.
and our faculty coordinators for their immense support and hard work, because without them this wouldn't have been possible.
Putting up their heart and soul right from the start of the registration till the end of the interview, and this is something not every student gets, and I think we are lucky.
Thank you very much for each and everyone.
It was the first time I've gotten so much recognition from the people around me. Various family members who have not talked to in years called and congratulated me on the occurrence, and I couldn't believe it myself as soon as I heard my name.
And yes, I am very proud to be a Geethamite.
Special thanks to Geetham.
I am thankful for my parents for their continuous support and encouragement.
Right, they say like there's some special kind of happiness whenever we see something which we have made with our own hands by our hard work. So I'm really excited to work with DXC Technology, and I'm looking forward to work with them.
Proper plan, strong dedication, and many training sessions help us to achieve this.
By hearing that I selected in a company, my father felt very much happy, and my mother too.
And my family members also felt happy because I got selected in the first placement itself.
So everyone make use of the opportunity and grab the offers, and all the best to my friends for their further drives?
During this interview process, I was a little bit tense because I'm a non-CS student, but I wanted to enter into the IT sector. So I was a little bit tense. But don't be tense. Be thorough with all the basics and be strong in it. That's more than enough.
First of all, I would like to thank my parents for their support.
I utilize this opportunity to thank each and every faculty and my family members.
My parents are really happy for me that I placed in the first company.
I want to thank all the faculty members of CSE department, without whose support such a feat wouldn't have been possible.
Parents are really happy when they heard the news.
Parents will be very happy if their children were placed in good companies before completing their education. My parents, my relatives and my well-wishers, everyone are happy with my result.
Is working hard to make students to get placed through many companies.
My short-term goals and long-term goals are to get knowledge that helps the company to grow.
I thank my family and my beloved ones who were supporting me in everything.
And also, I hope I would be one of the best alumni of Geetham Bengaluru campus.
Thank you, Geetham, for being a constant support with immense lot of guidance that we get.
I've had many goals throughout the years, and the short-term goal I've had recently is to complete my AWS certification. This will help me broaden my horizon and understanding on what the subject actually is, and further develop my professional career.
But when I heard my name in the list, I was very happy, and when I shared this news with my parents, they felt very, very happy.
I'm very blessed that I have my parents who always believed in me. I'm very thankful to all my friends who always supported me.
Thanks for giving opportunity to share my experiences with you all.
Firstly, I'm so happy and blessed to be placed in the DXC Technologies.
I am very excited to share my happiness that I was selected in DXC Technology.
Firstly, I would like to thank my parents, of whom I'm here today.
So right now my only motivation is not only my motivation, my only goal is to see that first paycheck of mine which I'll get from DXC Technology.
And my sincere thanks to Geetham University, and it's an awesome feeling to get placed in first company. Thanks for your support that makes me to achieve.
I really wish everyone should place in good companies. Once again, thanks to the Geetham for giving a great platform and memories.
Me, I felt shocked. Is it me only? I checked my name in the list twice.
Which drove me there is I have a personal interest on trending technologies and latest happenings in the IT industry.
Eagerly anticipating to enter into this corporate world.
I would like to sincerely thank and appreciate.
Long-term goal is to start up a company with
my faculty coordinators and student friends.
It's been a really exciting journey for me, and I can't wait for what's going to happen next.
And as well as excited too. When there's a message like the results are going to be announced, as equally tense.
And all the faculty members for being this supportive and helpful. Thank you all.
DXC is the right platform to kickstart my career.
As a fresher, for me to start my career in one of the Fortune 500 companies is really a big thing.
Special mentioning thanks to my parents and also to the beloved one.
It is very a delightful moment for me as well as my parents. My parents were so happy that I have been placed.
And I am very much thankful to my Geetham University.
Be it the technical training or be it the campus recruitment training, we've always got an opportunity to select the vendor. We've always got the opportunity to select the best vendors in the country.
My long-term goals, you can say that I'd like to deploy my own software in the form of a cloud service to customers all over the world.